Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to edit text on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is your dashboard where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, go ahead to the website where you want to edit the text for, go ahead and click the website and this will open up our site in that page. So as you can see here guys, at the left side of the page is the option to edit our website. We have a couple options such as design, commerce and so on and so on. So guys, we want to go ahead to the page, let's say this is the new page that we have created, and here we want to edit some text. As you can see here guys, here we have text, and all we have to do to edit the text that you want is go ahead and double click the text that you want to edit, and this will open up your page in edit mode, and then you'll be able to once again click once on the text, click once again, and here you'll be able to change your font. Let's say you want to change the font, go ahead, you can either bold the text if you want, you can change it to italic, you can change the color of the font. As you can see, let's say we want to change the color font. Now the font will be changed. You can edit text, you can add any type in anything you want, anything, and after that guys, just go ahead and click done and save in the upper left corner. And after that guys, as you can see, you have successfully added the text on your website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.